Market data is the information that shows what's happening in a financial market in real time. It's what traders rely on to decide when to buy, sell, or stay out. The most important part of market data is the price. This includes the current price plus the open, high, low, and close. By watching price movements, a trader can spot trends and potential reversals. Next is volume. Volume tells you how much of an asset is being traded. High volume usually means strong interest and more reliable price moves, while low volume can signal weak or risky conditions. Then we have bid and ask prices. The bid is what buyers are willing to pay, and the ask is what sellers want. The difference between them is called the spread, and it directly affects trading costs. Market data can also include the order book, which shows pending buy and sell orders, helping traders understand supply and demand. Finally, there are different types of market data: real-time, delayed, and historical. Together, market data is the foundation of all trading decisions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.